Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really easy origami snowman. And yeah, so it's pretty much called build an origami snowman. Get it? And yeah. And actually the reason why I'm teaching this right now is because as you can see outside, it is snowing right now. So yep, so this is a good time to teach an origami snowman. And yep, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. And it could also be a little flicker too. Alright, here goes. Okay, so for this snowman I used a sheet of 6-inch kami, and that's what I'm going to use. You could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. Okay, so let's begin colored side up and fold this up. So I'm going to make a white snowman, so fold this up. It's not really important, but just about like that is good. Increase sharply. Okay, now we're going to divide this into thirds. So this, I believe, is the hardest step. So just fold it up so that this is equal to this. So just estimate it for right now. And then fold this part behind like this. And just fiddle with the folds until they align. I'm actually have to go really fast right now because my camera's about to die. Okay, and repeat on this side. Oh good, I got lucky. Okay, now colored side up and fold to the crease marks here. Okay, and now fold in half like this. Okay, and now we're gonna stick one inside the other. It doesn't really matter which one, but I'm gonna stick this inside of here. Just stick it in like this. Alright, and flatten it like that. Okay, now take this edge and fold it to this edge, but just make a crease mark right here. And now repeat in the other direction. Alright, and now fold up on these two crease marks. Alright, make that fold all the way across, and now fold to the crease, and just make two crease marks on the two sides. Alright, unfold. And now we're going to turn over and lift this crease up, and we're going to fold it to these two crease marks right here. So make sure it's a mountain fold. And fold it up like that. Okay, now turn over and make that fold sharp. Alright, and now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, just like this, and now turn back over. And now we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, this is to I, so you want this part right here to be equal to this part right here. It doesn't need to be perfect, just estimate it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to make it into a snowman, so yeah, I better go really fast because, like I said before, my camera, there's not a lot of juice left. Okay, it's about to die. Alright, so we're going to take this, I'll zoom in. We're going to fold this up, so make sure the edges line right here, and you want to squash right here, like this. And really make sure the squash is perfect too, like that, see? And repeat on this side. Even close enough is okay too. Alright, now right here, fold this edge to okay, we're going to take this edge and fold it to this point right here. And same thing. We're going to squash right here. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, see the snowman is taking shape. And now, all we need to do is round it. So, let's make a paper airplane fold here. Taste. We're shaping it to taste now, so just round it to taste. See? Like this. I don't really need to talk for this. You can just kind of do what I'm doing. And now paper airplane fold here too. And it's pretty thick right here, so good luck. See? But just do your best you can. It'll probably be easier out of thinner paper. Alright, the same here too. And this is thinner, so it's easier. Alright, now the bottom. Alright, now if there's any raw edges, I like to fold them up. You don't need to do this, but I'm going to. It's cleaner with a folded edge. And same right here too. If any raw edges, I like to eliminate. And there it is. Snowman is done. And now the last step is to, if you want, you can draw on a face on it like I did on this model, but I'm not gonna do it with this one because I like it like this. And yeah, and plus I gotta get the video done too, so because my camera's about to die. Okay, so there it is. And of course, if you fold it like this, it can be a flicker kinda. And yeah. Alright, hope you guys like that and were able to fold it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.